Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to block AutoCAD from accessing the internet. First, click on the Start menu on your computer. Then search for Windows Defender Firewall and open it. Here, click on Advanced Settings from the left side of the window. Now click on Outbound Rules from the left panel. These rules control how programs on your computer connect to the internet. Next, click on New Rule from the right side. Here, select Program as the rule type and then click Next. Now choose this program path and browse to the AutoCAD executable file. Select the AutoCAD program file and then click Next. After that, you'll be asked what action should be taken when a connection matches the specified conditions. Here, select Block the connection to prevent AutoCAD from accessing the internet. Then click Next. Now select where this rule should apply. You can choose Domain, Private, and Public Networks. For complete blocking, leave all three options checked, then click Next. Here, enter a name for the rule, such as Block AutoCAD Internet Access. You can also enter a description if you'd like to remember the purpose of the rule later. Then click Finish. The outbound rule is now created. Next, click on Inbound Rules from the left side. Inbound rules control connections coming into your computer from external networks. Now click on New Rule from the right side. Again, select Program and click Next. Here, choose this program path and browse to the same AutoCAD executable file, then click Next. Now select Block the connection and click Next. After that, select the Domain, Private, and Public Network profiles where the rule should apply, then click Next. Enter a name for the inbound rule such as Block AutoCAD Inbound Access. You can also add a description if needed. Now click Finish. After creating both the outbound and inbound rules, AutoCAD will be restricted from sending or receiving internet traffic through Windows Defender Firewall. You can verify the rule by opening AutoCAD and checking whether online services, cloud features, licensing updates, or internet-based functions are able to connect. If you ever want to restore internet access, simply return to outbound rules and inbound rules, locate the AutoCAD rules you created and disable or delete them. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.